What's good, everybody? Is your boy David again. So, tapos na tayo sa round 1 performance ni Isay Olarte. Kumanta siya ng Salamin. So, if hindi nyo nakita yung reaction ko, you guys should watch that. Ang galing niya doon. Like, super duper galing ni Isay doon. And now, we're going to react to her medley performance. So, if bago kayo dito, don't forget to subscribe, okay? Mag-subscribe kayo kasi malapit na tayong mag 100,000 subscribers. Makaka-silver play button na tayo. And I want you guys to be part of that, okay? And then you can also follow me on my Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram, okay? So, with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. Let's go, Isay. Let's go. Ganda ng intro. Ganda ng rendition, ha? Galing! Galing ng arrangement, oh. Di mo lang alam. Bro, this is too much. Ang galing ng arrangement, no? Not just Isay, pero yung instruments talaga, yung backing, yung ginawa ng banda, yung mga notes na dinaanan nila, men, ang sarap sa tenga. Eargasm. Galing yung drummer. Galing ng transition. Grabe. Tingnan yung mukha niya, no? Ni Sofronio. Di ba stinky face, bro? Grabe. Woo! Sing! Galing ng low notes ni Isay, man. Solid. Wait lang, if hindi nyo kakamali, kanta to ng Up Dharma Down eh. Sing! Sobrang ganda. Sing, girl! Yeah! Oh, sabi ko na eh. Ito kay KZ, ano ata to eh. Tandingan na version. Galing ng drummer, oh. Napatay si Ogie. What? Galing! Ang linis nung... Galing nung, di ba, nag-shred yung drummer. Tapos biglang may konting pause lang doon. Tapos, nag-ano sila. Nag parang electronic. No? Grabe. Man, kudos to the band. Ang galing. No? Ano to eh, mga ganitong performance hindi lang yung vocalist, no, hindi lang si Isay, no, alam na natin, no, nakita natin, grabe ang galing ni Isay, talagang nilabas niya lahat, okay, nilabas niya lahat yung kakayahan niya, but she can't do this performance without this amazing band behind her. So kudos, shout out to the band, ang galing nyo. Vocal athlete, grabe. Give me that organ. Grabe to. Tayo na sila, oh. Hindi pa natapos. Grabe. Goosebumps ulit, man. Woo! What? Standing ovation, oh. Bro, wait, bro. I'm not, ewan ko lang kung makikita nyo. Kanina pa, kahit yung legs ko, man, grabe. Do you know how tiring this performance was for Isay? It's a 6 minutes, 31 seconds na medley na talagang yung dynamics ng kanta, baba, taas, birit dito, birit doon, control dito, 'di ba? Grabe. Ibang klase si Isay. I don't know, man. Hindi ko pa naman nakita yung kay Carmel, no, na medley. But she could have won the show though. Actually, she could actually won the show, no? Magaling si Carmel. Okay, alam na, sabi ko na, I said this many times, okay, sa mga previous reaction videos ko prior to this one. Sabi ko, magaling talaga si Carmel. Si Carmel is very versatile as well as Isay. And in-upload ko kasi yung round 1 performance ni Carmel sa Facebook ko. And marami ding nanood doon. Marami ding comments doon. And may nabasa ako na may nambabash kay Carmel, okay? Normal naman yan, okay? Kasi siguro kay Isay sila. Tapos meron namang mga supporters si Carmel doon. Tapos nagbabasa lang ako. May nag-comment doon na ano daw, pangit daw yung song choices ni Isay. Kaya siya natalo. Pero if you think about it, nakakuha siya ng 97.7. Tapos si Carmel nakakuha ng 98%. Okay, 0.3 lang yung lamang. So, the score says otherwise. Okay, yung komento nila is not very accurate. Siguro sa kanila, kasi feeling ko, hindi sila familiar sa mga songs na kinanta ni Isay. But if you look at it in a way na babagay ba kay Isay yung mga kinanta niya? Of course, bumagay, man. Ang galing pa ng arrangement. No? Siguro sa kanila, wrong song choices. It's because hindi nila alam or hindi sila nakasabay. Kaya siguro sabi nila, kasi si Isay, wrong song choices, no? Hindi bumagay yung kanta sa kanya. No. Hindi siya bumagay sa tenga ninyo because you're not familiar with the songs. Pero para sa akin na I'm familiar with the song and nakita niyo naman yung judges, hindi pa siya natapos si Isay, hindi pa natapos si Isay, tumayo na sila. So, it means it's all about familiarity. Okay? So, siguro hindi nyo na alam yung mga kanta kasi mas na ano kayo, ano tawag dito? Usually kasi yung mga kinakanta ng mga sa grand finals is yung mga birit-birit talaga. Siguro like Regine Velasquez songs, mga ganun, mga Mariah Carey songs, mga Whitney Houston songs. Pero kay Isay kasi, talagang pure OPM to eh. Tapos meron pa yung salamin sa round 1 na sa Beanie. Man, bro, actually, Isay could have won this one. Bro, this was hard to decide between her and Carmel. Okay? Si Arbery naman, basta panoorin niyo lang yung komento ko kay Arbery. Okay? Maiintindihan niyo ako kung bakit Isay and Carmel talaga, no? But hindi ko pa naman napanood kay Carmel yung medley niya. I've seen the better days and that was also great performance. So, ang hirap. Pero ito masasabi ko, deserving sila sa grand finals, especially sa top 2. Deserving sila. And itong si Isay, na-upload ko din yung nag-react ako sa kanya nung regular lang na performance niya. So, hindi pa sa grand finals. And yun, marami din siyang and napasaya doon sa kanyang performance din. And I think marami ding nag-react and nag-share doon sa videos ko sa kanya sa Facebook. Okay? So anyway, follow nyo ako sa Facebook. Okay? Kasi doon din nag-upload ako doon. And also sa TikTok and on Instagram. And you can also follow me. If bago kayo dito, by the way, please subscribe kayo. Okay? So, I'm just in awe. Grabe. And to be honest, wow na wow ako kay Carmel talaga. Like, super duper wow. Pero kay Isay lang ako nagka-goosebumps. 2 beses. Yung round 1 performance niya at saka yung etong medley song. To be very, very honest with you guys, sa kanya lang ako. Kasi, maybe because of the arrangement din, ang galing din ng banda kasi. No? Litaw na litaw. Kaya, balancing-balance. Kung ano yung binibigay na energy ni Isay, andun yung banda eh. Back up talaga. Nakasuporta. Ang galing. Ang galing. Hands down. Anyway, that's it. Hope you guys enjoy the one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe and God bless you all. Peace.